Hey guys, Jimmy Vegas here, and today I'm playing an indie game made in Unity, well, called Powerwash Simulator, as we can see right there. It's on itch.io, it's free at the moment, may change in price, who knows. Never played it before, first time in. Describes itself as saying, let the soothing sounds of water wash away your worries as you fire up your power washer and blast away every speck of dirt and grime you can find. Okay. Well, I'll leave a link to it in the description below if you want to have a go. I'm just going to get into it. Okay. Right. How random. It don't look too bad, actually, in all fairness. Okay. Yep. Too long, didn't read. Right, okay, here we go. Oh, a little, nice. WASD. Space. Shift, change nozzle. Okay, show hint. Okay, let's just do this. Okay. Ah, there we go. Right. So. Oh wow. Okay, so. Oh my god. This is one very dirty house. Okay, oh, wow. Okay, so. I mean, how long has it been since these people actually washed up? I mean, wow. That's an interesting concept. And it does look really nice. It genuinely looks quite nice. I'm just not sure how long this is going to take me and how long before I start getting slightly bored of it. I mean, you can see there, 5% done. And the ironic thing is, I'm not even getting paid to do this. I mean, I suppose it is soothing in some ways. I'm just not sure it's exciting. Ooh, I missed a bit there. Does every game have to be exciting? God, it's making me feel nauseous just going up and down, up and down, up and down. Let's change my nozzle. Let's see if it... Okay, so... I'm not sure which one is best. Hang on. Have I got to go around the other side of the house? So, okay, so it's just this front section of the house which appears to be incredibly dirty. The back is fine. So what's going on at the front that makes it so darn dirty? Okay. Wow. Okay, so I think this nozzle appears to be better because I am on 23%. Can I go up the ladders? I can. I can go up the ladders. Yeah. I don't think that needs cleaning. The roof appears to be fine. So let's do this section here. Well, I guess if, you know, this is your sort of game, then cool. It advertises itself as Powerwash Simulator, and I guess that's what I'm doing. I'm simulating Powerwash. Very interesting. Interesting. Sometimes it's these kind of games which make me think, actually, that's a really good idea. And in all fairness, this is a really good idea. I'm just not sure if... I mean, if you guys are falling asleep, just turn the video off. It's entirely up to you. Or maybe skip ahead to the end to see what the house looks like, if I actually manage to get this all clean. I mean, I've just got a feeling that I'm going to do all of this, and I'm just not quite going to get to 100% clean. It's looking okay. I'm at 30%. Oh yeah, I've got to do the ground. Right. So the funny thing is, some people I've said that I should really test these games before I play them. You know who you are, Roy. But a lot of the time it's just kind of... Well, there was a comment that I replied to, and I think the reply was something along the lines of that I like going into these games blind. Yes, I know it's a Powerwash Simulator, because going in blind lets me give a genuine reaction to the game rather than going in having played it before, knowing what I'm going to praise, knowing what I could criticise. So yeah, I just feel it's a bit more genuine, so it's a bit more helpful, at least towards the original developers. So this is very tedious, I would say. But you know, I've come this far now, and oh, okay. I assume that's a good thing. Maybe you guys might want to skip ahead a little bit, or if you want to watch some inspiration here, stick around. That one, clean. Why are so wrong? So I've got to be very accurate in doing all of this, and just tell you what, if any of you actually sat there and watched this from the very beginning and are still here after, how long have we played it now? It's only 5 minutes, isn't it? I'd be quite surprised. Okay, right, so I didn't know it did that when you've watched enough of something. It goes ding! Well, I am living on a prayer right now, aren't I? Oh, well, beyond living on a prayer. This is nearly done. Yes! Yes, he says! Okay, so that is a really good... I like that. It's a nice little touch there. The ding when you've done something. Really good. Tell you what, whoever lets their house get this dirty, they need to sort themselves out. Okay, I'm gonna do here. I really want to get to 100%, but I'm starting to get a bit bored. And I'm sure you will. So I wonder if we can start making patterns in dirt. That'd be cool. Oh, okay, we're at 65%. We've got 35% to go. Well, I've cleaned all of this. Why is it not? I mean, is it just this? Is this all it is? Just this one level? It's interesting to see how the development created this. I'm a bit curious. Oh, I understand. %75%, okay, so when we get in there, 76. Oh, I've got to do all of there, haven't I mean, I wonder what the threshold is for getting it absolutely perfect. Like, do I just need to kind of glance over like that? Oh, okay, we're on 80%. Get in there. Do this window, yeah. Do the wall. Do all of this, the floor. See, I thought you said the floor was clean, but oh, there we go. Okay, so tell you what, let's try that one. that working? That is working, isn't it? Come on. Really? Back to this one. Oh, okay. 86. So I'm going to go up here now and hope the last 13.5% is indeed up here. It looks like it could be, 'cause it's going up pretty fast. 89%. Ooze through the window. Of course. 90. 91. Oh, get in there, get in there. Wow, I tell you what, if any of you guys have stuck around through all of this, you guys deserve a medal. You are absolute legends. I've got to be... There's still 5% of this to clean. Window upper wash. Okay. Oh, there we go. There. I've got to change my name. How do we do it? Maybe it's not meant to. No, that's not there. Okay, so. Ooh, no, that looks a bit dirty there, doesn't it? So we just need to give that a once over. Main door, what? Okay, I wasn't trying to get the door, but there we go, we've got it. Okay. 96.5. Okay, well I've been out of this over 10 minutes now, and yeah, I'm starting to get a bit bored. I really am bored, but I'm right there, and I don't want to give up. Just 2.1% to go, but where is this 2.1%? 2%. Is that it up there? Is that all I've got to do? Oh! Okay, 98.3. There we go. Could that be it? Let me try this one. There we go. Get it around here. Oh, I think I see some there. There's some there. Oh, look at that. 98.4, 1.5%. Where is this 1.5% that is dirty? Where? I am. Oh, hang on. Oh, come on, I'm washing that away. Okay, so I've got to aim this perfectly, otherwise it's not going to work. Okay, 1.4%. I mean, seriously, I'm really... There's still more, really? 1.3%. Okay, I think it's time for me to give it, really. All I've done is just squirted water gun basically for the past 12 minutes. And I can't see anymore. Is it that? Is it that? Is it really that? Let me change my things to that. Okay, so 0.8%. Can't find any more. Okay guys, well that was Powerwash Simulator. I am 0.8% away from actually cleaning the whole house, and I can't for the life of me find where the last bit of dirt is. So that's that. Like I say, I'll leave a link in the description below for you to have a go yourself if you want to. If you want to put yourself through it. It's an interesting concept, in all fairness. Give a thumbs up if you liked it, a thumbs down if you didn't. Let me know in the comments why you didn't like it. I've been Jimmy Vegas, this has been Powerwash Simulator. Thank you very much for watching.